Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical with the best of our Microscope channel, Dermatology Under the Microscope. Check out the subscription information below. One of our most popular videos is this chest pimple. The channel is dedicated to putting skin blemishes under magnification and taking a close look at medical problems. This hair plucking clip has over 2 million views. And here are a few more clips from some popular videos. The channel also showcases normal pops like this, so go ahead and check it out. We'll put a link below.
Hi guys, this is Alexa with a shout out for the team at Thinergy. You guys are helping people lose weight so they can look great. Keep working hard for those beach bodies to make this year your best one ever. Make every day count, and I love every single one of you. Thank you guys. Love, Alexa.